Hello guys, how are you all doing? So today I have my beautiful TVS Apache RR310 in the frame, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change its brake oil. Not only Apache RR310, after watching this video you can change brake oil in any bike you want. So watch till the end. So for changing the brake fluid of the bike, you need only two things. First, a .4 brake oil, and second, a 12 ml injection without the needle. So today I have this Petronas .4 brake fluid. You can use .4 brake oil of any brand you want. So let's go ahead. So guys, in the first step, what you need to do is just open the cap of the rear brake pad oil reservoir like this and keep it here. So I have used paper napkins on the rear seats. So let me show you the condition of the brake oil. I am zooming in so you can see the condition of the brake oil here. It's all smoky and blur. This means the life of the brake oil is over and we need to change it. In the second step, we will use this syringe and we will suck out the old engine oil like this from the brake oil reservoir tank. You can see like this. And drain the old old brake oil here. Now the second time, like this, and we will drain it here. Now in the third step, we will refill it with the new .4 brake oil. It's going in. Wow, the color is so transparent. Very new. So let me show you the quality of the new brake oil and its color. See how transparent it is. And for the sake of comparison, you can see the old brake oil here. In the third step, we need to take out this seal from the brake oil reservoir cap and we need to put it separately here like this and press it so that there is no space for the air for going inside. Now we need to place the cap here and close it. Now for the front brake oil change, we need a screwdriver and we need to open these nuts with the help of screwdriver like this. Let's take out this cover. There is a seal inside. You can see the condition. The front brake oil is also blurry. We need to take it out again with the help of syringe. Also, one important point, leave 20% of the brake oil in the bottom so that the brake system don't catch the air. Otherwise air will go inside it. So don't drain it fully. Now we will top it up with the new brake oil. You can see here. Now we will top it up with the new brake oil. You can see here. Yep. So it's fully done. Now let's put the seal back in like this. And we will place the cover like this. So here you can see a manufacturing defect. The color started peeling off in my RR310. Now we need to tighten the screws. Now the second one is remaining. Very satisfying process.